Once the part is complete, it's time to move the part from the build chamber into the cleaning station, which is over here. The cleaning station is used to clean off any excess core that's around the build part. There is a wand up here, it's an air wand, and it can be activated from the screen over here. And the air wand is used to blow any core off the part. There are also some brushes that are here, which are used to brush core off the part and also to enhance the colour. So by brushing the core off, the colour starts to pop. You can see here, this is the core that we'll be removing when we start to use the wand and the brushes. In order to be able to use this area, both of the hoods need to be closed. And then on the dial here, just press on the dial and select clean parts. You can rotate the dial to find that selection and then press again. By pressing this button, it will activate the air wand. Then I can pop my hands inside the chamber here and start to clean the part. Once finished, press the button again, and this will just stop the air wand from working. At this point, you can open the hood, take your part and the brush, and just start brushing just to remove any core that's been left behind.